Welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. I'm going to take this little Fiat 128 1100 out for another blast today. I did have a video on before, but I was missing the gears and all sorts. It's since been serviced and all tuned up, so I really want to show you how special these classic cars from the 70s really are. It's just a spectacular car which has a free revving single overhead camshaft engine, and they're just glorious. So I'm going to show you how we get on. Okay. It's got that beautiful, typical rasp. Such a flexible engine from a little 1.1. So let's give it a little go. Very fast, but very free revving. I think you're doing 120 mile an hour, but you're not. That's third gear. Getting a bit of traffic at the moment. Bit of a shame. Second for this little steep hill. Oh yeah. Beans, second gear. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed a little blast in this spectacular little Fiat 128 from the 70s.